In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp voice message problems. Now, if your WhatsApp voice message is not working, then you need to watch this video to the very end. And if you find it useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, first of all, you need to open your phone settings. Then you need to scroll down. Then go to privacy and security. If your phone have privacy and security, you are going to tap on it. As you can see, mine, it is privacy. So I'm going to tap on privacy. Then go to permission manager. Then here you are going to go to microphone, tap on microphone. So as you can see, these are the apps which have been allowed permission to access microphone. And at the bottom here, as you can see, denied. These are the apps which have been denied. So you are going to check whether WhatsApp has been given permission to access your microphone. So I'm going to scroll down. And you can see WhatsApp is here. So it has been denied permission. So tap on WhatsApp. Then you will see that microphone access for this app has been denied. So tap on allow in order to allow it. Then once you've done that, you will go back. Then WhatsApp will be granted access to microphone. So as you can see, it has been given access to microphone. Now once you've done that, you will go back to settings, main settings. Then you will now go and check if your Bluetooth has been enabled. So as you can see, my Bluetooth has been turned on. Ensure that your Bluetooth has been turned off. Then I hope this will fix your problem. And if it doesn't fix the problem, you need to restart your phone in order to refresh everything. Once you've done that, you will go and check if the problem has been fixed. So that's really it, guys. That's how to fix WhatsApp voice messages problem. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you, guys, and see you in the next one.